Hello guys, welcome back to our channel VFXBeauty. I'm Mika and today I'm doing this look to review the BH Cosmetics Sweet Shoppe palette. This is cherry on top. I gotta say I'm pleasantly surprised with the quality of these shades. They are super pigmented. The shimmers are to die for. And if you want to see how they apply, how they blend, and my first impressions, just keep watching. So I'm gonna start with the shade Sunday. And I'm gonna be testing this out like without an eyeshadow base because I wanna see how the palette performs like on its own. It's my first time trying this out. There's been a lot of like, and so far I mean the lightest shade still has a nice pigmentation. I'm just doing a little bit of a transitioning, nothing fancy. I'm still gonna clean the brush. So I'm gonna be taking the shade Tart and let's see how it goes. I mean, I'm improvising here because it's my first time using this shade. Okay. I have a red spot in my hair. Oh my god. Oh my freaking goodness. I need to tone this down. Oh gosh. This is by no means what I did. I mean usually these shades are like light and innocent, but this one is boom in your face. Oh gosh, how am I gonna? Okay, I don't know what I'm doing, guys. At least I'm being honest. Let's just wing it. I mean, something has to come out anyway. Oh gosh, this is super pigmented. I can't believe it. So I'm gonna go back with the doe color brush number 2, which is a blending brush but it's smaller. I'm gonna take the shade Sprinkles and I'm pretty much scared now to add the shade. Yeah. Oh, this is so pretty. I know I need a lot of blending, so don't worry about that. I'm just gonna worry about where the hell am I gonna put all these colors first, and then I'm gonna see how to blend this. Oh, this shade is life. Oh my god. Look, if all of the other shades in the palette sucked, I would buy this palette just for this shade. Oh gosh, you are hot. Okay. Whatever BH put on these shadows, they need to keep putting in all of the shadows they make. Oh gosh. I mean, they have good eyeshadows anyway, but this is a whole new level, guys. A whole new level. Gosh, now, I mean, this is where this is the part that YouTubers probably don't show you. Now I need to repeat this accident on this eye, okay, because it was an accident. I'll be right back. Okay, now I kinda repeated the accident on the other eye, and I need to blend this mess like, oh gosh, That is the only problem with really powerful eyeshadows. If you messed it up, it's just too obvious. So I'm gonna take the shade Sunday again, which is the lightest matte one in the palette, and I'm gonna try like blending the edges. Like, I'm gonna try. It's more blended now. You see this, and this one got softer. Ouch. That's the idea. I always say makeup always look ugly till it looks pretty. So it's a work in progress. Don't worry about that. What matters is that you have fun at the end of the day. If it looks ugly, guess why? There is makeup remover. You can just erase it and do it better next time. So let me show you. Wow. Okay, I am surprised. So I'm gonna deepen this because I just blended too much now, and I'm gonna add this darker one called Sprinkles with my finger on the other V here. I love applying makeup with my fingers. I just love doing that. And put a little bit of leftover under the eye because why not? There is always one eye that doesn't want to blend. Does it happen to you? Like, especially in my case, it's this one, but it starts crying and then it's all over. Like, gosh, I think of a makeup look and this eye starts crying. I hate it, but whatever. So I'm gonna give it another touches later, but I think I'm gonna cut my crease. Before that, I'm gonna take, no, not you. I'm gonna take the Doe Color, I think, the Doe Color brush number 11, which is like a super tiny, fluffy, like very precise eyeshadow, and I'm gonna try, okay, to apply it like here in the border, you know, like in the crease, to give it some definition, because I usually only like the darker colors in here, but you know, cut creases like tend to take the darker color all over the crease. So let's do that, and then blend, and then cut the crease, and then everything else. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna be taking the XoXo Petite Crease. This is the shade, the brush 231. These XoXo ones are really good too, and I'm just gonna use it like to blend in these edges over here. I didn't apply any color. I'm just trying to blend what I already have in there, that mess of beautiful shades. Yeah, after I do my cut crease, even my finger. Oh my god. Okay, I had to clean it all up anyway. Thank god I didn't put my foundation first. This is how real people make their makeup. Okay. I'm gonna cut the crease. So the crease is cut now. I use the NYX Burn to Glow concealer to do it. I've been loving this later, although it's really thick. but it has a good coverage, so I like it. So now I look at myself in the camera and I'm laughing. Okay, I'm gonna clean it up. Yeah. So now the difficult question is which of the shiny shades to pick, because all of them are so gorgeous. I'm like between these two, maybe the lighter one. It's just all of them are so cute. I'm gonna try the lightest one to start. I'm gonna be using a Clinique eyeshadow brush. Let's see how it applies with this. I don't think this is the eyeshadow for that. I'm gonna grab an eyeshadow brush that is less fluffy so it can pack in more color. Or I use my finger. Oh no, this one is better. I still think I'm gonna use my finger. Oh gosh. Yay. See the difference? I'm gonna show you better close-ups, don't worry. And I think I'm gonna put a little bit of the shade Juicy is the next one to the lightest one, because you know, to create like a, oh my god, you guys gotta see this. Look at the mother. Oh my god, this is so good. I feel happy. Okay, I'm gonna do it on the other eye. This is so good. Oh my god, I wanna put on. Okay, I am this close to put like all of the shimmery shades on me, but no, I'm gonna go back to the shade the Sprinkles, because with this pop of color now the V lost its way in life, so I need to put it back. My favorite one is this one still, the Sprinkles, so I'm gonna, you know, deepen it again, and then with a clean finger blend the edges between the two. So the top part is pretty much finished. Might be doing a wing liner, I don't know, but I'm gonna have to clean this up later and do something there. So I'm gonna be taking Wild Cherry with a tiny brush by the color, the number 12, and I'm just going to apply it in there. Now I'm gonna take Sprinkles to connect this outer V with the lower V. I would love to see Liz Merlin doing a look with this palette, you know. Unlike me, she's a professional, so I'm pretty sure her video is gonna be less messy. But I'm telling you guys, this palette is a dream. Gosh, so nice. I'm gonna grab Sunday again, a lot of Sunday, and I'm gonna, like, you know, again in the borders, I need to soften this a little bit. So now I'm gonna be cleaning this mess, and it doesn't have too much fallout, let me tell you. This mess is because I'm a little bit rough with the brush, and I end up like, you know, doing my under eye unconsciously. But if I show you my cheeks, there is not too much fallout. I mean, there is no fallout, you know, so that's very good quality, guys. So I'm gonna be back when I have done the rest, and they look good. They look the look looks better. Pardon my French, okay? Okay guys, that was all for today. Thank you so much for watching. As a conclusion, I can tell you, if you can still get your hands on one of these palettes, you won't be missing out. You won't be wasting your money. These are worth every penny. They are 18 bucks. But I'm telling you, the size of the pans also is huge compared to the regular size of the palettes that we buy often. Like the pan is super tiny, so you get a lot of product for $18. But not only getting a lot of product, is the quality of the product. As I said before, whatever VH did on this palette, they better keep doing it, you know, in all of the palettes, because I am blown away by the beauty of these shades. So I hope they get them back, because this is so good. I haven't been this impressed about a palette in a long time, and they feel like a very expensive ones. Also, they are not hard to blend at all. I mean, if you saw the whole video, you notice that I'm a little bit like crazy when doing my eyeshadow. I'm carefree. I'm like, let me see what happens. But still, for someone like me, it was easy to work with. So thank you guys for watching. This is all for today. But if you like this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, because it's free. So I hope to see you next week with another look or another review. I don't know, maybe, but I hope you're there.